Hello, Albanidis Konstantinos here, and today to this lesson and to this session, I'm gonna show you how you can use affiliate PAL and create your own ad GPT prompt. Okay, uh, so you have to go from here to your menu and select GPT prompt, and here you're gonna see that you have a button to add your GPT prompt. To this session we're gonna add an email swipe, and here we have the option that if we want to improve the affiliate the prompt with the affiliate PAL. This is a beta option, and I'm testing it, and I'm not so sure that I'm gonna keep it, as you can create as many ChatGPT prompts as you want, and you can just save it and reuse it. The most important stuff to the GPT prompt is that you have your own prompt ready to be used while you create your content. So if we create an email swipe to this example, we're gonna be able to anytime to use this prompt when we create an email swipe. Okay, it's gonna we're gonna be able to use it and select it and have it available. Okay, now I'm not gonna improve the prompt. I'm gonna just follow the basic rules about creating a cold email, and I'm gonna ask here the GPT prompt to have to create, let's write here, create an email with a personalized opener. Okay, that is something very common and very special to cold emailing. Okay, that is gonna be the first step. So I'm gonna write first start the email swipe with a personalized opener. Okay, I can change the line and write now, then provide value. Okay, ChatGPT is gonna find a way and it's gonna provide value to our email according our opportunity. Okay, let's move on. We can add social proof. It's one of the options, but it's gonna get us it's gonna make it big and long, the email, but we can in fact to this GPT prompt say to add social proof. Okay, and then we're gonna have to create to put extra content, and this is gonna be the additional context. Okay, create additional valuable context. While we write the email, we're gonna see that we're gonna have the option that I have already added to the to every email and all the other content that we can create, to be able to select a quote and use it as the driver for the leading subject to our content. Trust me, that creates a very nice email, and it works perfectly. So, and at the end, sorry for a moment, just for a moment. Okay, I stopped the video, but I'm gonna merge it. But the point is that at the end we're gonna have to add the low friction action. Okay, low friction. That means that we don't want to have our email end to the spam folder, so it's better to go slow and calm and ask the user to investigate and check our offer, or send us an email if they want extra information about this offer. At the end, I would like to add. Let me think about that. Okay, I'm gonna write at the end, please try to, and okay, the please, it's not important here. I can just say try to use content that is not considered spam, to avoid our email and to the spam folder. Okay, and one more stuff is wrap the content so that each sentence to be less than its line to be less than let's say 69 characters. Okay, that's a prompt. Okay, and here we can write a short description. It's the thing that we're gonna be able to see and recognize while we create the content. So to this part, I'm gonna just write create an appealing spam-free email and wrap to 69 characters. Okay, that's it. So now we just check our content here. It's okay, and we have to submit and have our prompt ready. You can experiment with this ChatGPT prompts. The point is to have it available anytime you want. So the moment that you are about to create a content, I'm gonna show you right now how you're gonna use this ChatGPT prompt. You see, I'm going to my content, and over here I'm gonna create an email swipe using this prompt. To the next to the next updates, you're gonna see that you're gonna be able to play with AI and write your prompt the last moment, and to have it ready at the moment you create your email. Okay, to this time we're gonna send an email about the social rep online jobs. Okay, I'm gonna try to use this one. You see, when I select the opportunity, I'm gonna have the link over here automatically, and I select that it's gonna be the content AI created, and then I'm gonna select that I'm gonna use an email swipe, and here I'm gonna select that if I want to use a prompt to a quote. Okay, I'm gonna select a quote. Let's select okay, I believe it's hard to be the person who never gives up. Let's go a little bit further. The biggest adventure you can ever take is to live the life of your dreams. Okay, that sounds nice. And here I'm gonna select the prompt. You see, now I have it over here. Create an appealing spam-free email and wrap it to 69 characters. I select this one, and I just relax and wait to see what is gonna happen. You see, you have the prompt ready, and you test. And if you see that the result it's nice, you just use it to any opportunity. You see, live the life of your dreams with social rep online jobs. You can just change it and make it the way you like. The biggest adventure you can ever take is to live the life of your dreams. Have you ever felt that your 9-5 routine is holding you back from your true potential? Imagine having the freedom to work from the comfort of your home while doing something you love. Social rep online jobs offers the perfect solution for you. Here's why this opportunity is worth exploring. You see, flexibility, diverse roles. That's the value. But don't just take my word for it. Here's what our community is saying. That's the social proof. Okay, and here to get started, click the link below. You see, that sounds really interesting. At the same time, you can test this content and see if it's spam free. And you see that it's wrapped to 69 characters, and it looks really interesting. Okay, after we save the email and we have sent the email, if we use the MLS.js my lead gen secret, and we send emails or we use another platform, we can see the click-through rate. So anytime we can reopen this email and say how this email went. On that way, you can easily use this email at the future and send it again, or edit it and resend it. That's a very interesting and very handy new feature you're gonna find here. Let's save this one. Okay, I'm gonna save this one, and we're done. We're gonna have just one more email swipe. I don't want to keep this session longer. Thank you very much for watching this video, and wish you the best. Bye bye.